We got John, Kelly's dad, Brody. There's the whole crew. We're gonna go trout slaying today. We have beautiful weather. Look at the size of that trout. I'll just flip them in. Second hit the water. I made one pop and he ate it. Well, at least you see how it's done now. 16 with a hard bite. Big old trout, Kelly. That's a keeper. Oh, he's not as big as I thought he was. Stop reeling it in, Brody. There's a lizard. 14.9. There you go, Brody. It's another fish. Oh, it's too late now. Alright, next fish I'll let. That's a keeper. He swallowed it.
That's 2 points. We got 8 points, Justin.
Well, let's wait till I see how big he is. He's 5 points as a keeper. Keep an eye on that pink bobber, Brody. Stupid trout wants to swallow it. So the last 2 times is when I turn around not even looking at my bobbers, they grab it when I'm not moving it. So sometimes you can just let it sit still.
That's 15 points.
Well, he's a legal fish right now. Why aren't you using your pole? Oh, that was cool. She jerked it and the trout shot out of the water with her lure. That's a nice trout. That's a beast. Go, John. Hey, he unhooked himself. That's a big trout. That's a keeper, Brody. You got it all wrapped around the ladder. Hey, we're winning.
That's 15 points.
No. We're at 13. No, we had 9.
No, we were at 9, so plus that is 10.
14.
That's 14.
No, he's 16.
Oh.
We have 14 points. What? God, is that a trout? Don't lose that fish. If that's a trout, it's huge. I saw him. Oh, doesn't he look big now? Oh, it's a blue. That's a blue. Yeah, they're crazy. I mean, a lot of people eat them. Nice blue.
That's 5 points.
No, he's not quite a keeper. Yep, he's right at 14.5 again. Got the hang of it. Hey, my bobber's under.
That was that much longer than my foot, and I've got a foot long foot.
Oh, it was a keeper?
Yeah, it was a keeper. I put my foot down next to it.
That's how you reel in a trout.
That was bigger than that one. Now watch that one be a keeper.
If it is big,
That's a keeper.
John's slaying them. And it fell up.
I think it was too small. That was smaller than the
The
other.
gulp's gone.
came off too.
Yeah, it was barely.
Here, watch
It
this.
was barely holding in there anyway.
Just watch it. Just leave it.
was
Is
ripped.
that a trout? There you go. He came up like he was hungry. That's a keeper. My bobber's under. Today. Come on, take him.
Amy, stop!
Take him. Grab him.
I don't like fish.
Just grab him. You have a towel. What is wrong with you? You're making me lose my fish.
Man, whatever it was.
If I lose my fish because of you, Kelly. You're kidding. Okay, get the net. He's got something big.
Big, whatever it is, yeah.
Wow. Dude, is that really a fish you got snagged?
I can feel it's moving. It's moving like crazy.
He's got a beat. See, that's like a cobia fight. When
This is bigger than a
he's got a grouper. Make sure he's not going back into a rock. I think he's got a grouper.
Yeah, there's something. He's coming. He's
I
coming.
think he drifted over a rock pile. Make sure he doesn't go back into the rock that he came out of. He's got a small grouper. Unless he's got a stingray. I hope he didn't snag a sea turtle. Why don't I see him? Is he still moving or is he in a rock?
Nah, I just lost it. I felt it go down a bit.
So we're winning.
That's a beast right there. Look at him run back and forth. That's how you know it's a big trout. Big old trout. Big old trout, boy.
Come on, come on. That thing.
Watch out. He's coming in hot. Look at that, son.
That's a good wow.
That right there is 10
Too
points.
big?
So we are at 31.
We're only allowed one this big.
No,
How big is
we
it?
are at
It's probably
29.
about 20.
guys. We're at 29.
We're only allowed one over 19.
Yes, and we're at 29.
He's only a 5-pointer, Brody. Oh, we should have did extra points for over 20 inches. Oh, he's not even over
We've
19.
been doing as we go along.
He's only. This is only an 18-inch trout.
Cool.
Whoa, cool. We can go bigger.
Yeah. Kelly caught a couple 22-inchers. You don't want to pull back.
I'm holding it for you.
I thought you were gonna try to steal it back.
No, I would have already casted it.
No, you're stuck with the pole that you wanted me to retie for you. Oh, that was a big one. Right when he ate it. Big old trout. I need the net for that one. There's a 20-incher. See that trout, John? Oh, he's not a 20-incher. He's only 17. All talk. Not even
Talk a lot, babe.
Not even that big.
All right, we're at 25.
He's still a keeper. They all fight the same. Oh, we're at 28, Brody. 28 to 22. All right, Brody, watch that bobber while I'm messing with it. See the pink bobber? All right, here, hold the pole. If it goes under, reel. Keep reeling it in slowly. Oh, he's got a sea bass. They're big trout. That's another keeper. Ooh. No, he's right at 15. He's got more. He's got a belly.
14.9.
He's got girth. He's gonna hit 15, I think. Oh my god.
Be short.
Oh my god. 14.9. There you go, Kelly.
Get the net.
Big trout. That's a keeper.
Don't let me lose them.
That's a keeper. Just flip him in. Do what I do. Just launch him in. There you go. That's a keeper fish. Look at that whole stomach hanging out. He was on for a while, Kelly. Where's Tail? He's gonna spit his guts everywhere. Oh god. Why'd you let him? You didn't feel him bite it, Kelly? We're never gonna get that out of his mouth. But at least he's 15 and a half. He's a keeper. There you go, Kelly. Double hook up. Kelly's got a beast. Look at that.
It's the same thing.
I tried the trout magic.
Nice, Kel. What are you using, a gulp?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not even getting.
Well, I got one on the trout magic.
That's it. It's the same.
And Kelly got an 18-incher on her gulp. Is that a big one? Big trout. Brody, net or fish?
Get the net.
I think it's easier to sling them in, honestly. That's another keeper. That is a keeper. Jeez. Go, Kelly. Give me my pole back.
Here, you can have this pole back. I don't like it. It's not getting me anything. I want my
Your
pole.
bobber keeps getting messed up. Your pole's out of commission. Your mom's killing it, Brody. You need to start letting Brody reel some in. Is that another keeper? I don't know, Kelly. Your trout are getting fatter. Your average trout is 15 inches now. Look how big these things are.
Get in the hole, hurry.
What should I try now? When the bite is good, I like trying different lures. I got this whole freaking tackle box full of stuff I want to try. Oh, I forgot about this. Are you serious? Oh, I can't even do anything. Alright, today's the day, Kelly. You're going to start learning how to do this yourself. You catch too many fish. See, when they're not keepers, keep them in the water. So I don't have to keep doing this. That's not a keeper. Release. Alright, Kelly. Here's your fish lipper. When you catch a fish, you're going to lip them yourself, alright? You gotta be kidding me.
Oh,
what's the matter? Is that, oh, that's a big trout. Is that a trout? Oh, it's a big mackerel.
cool.
There you go, Kelly. Jeez. What else are you gonna catch today? We got a trout and a mackerel. Brody catching him by himself. Good job, Brody. On a spoon. Your mom's never even caught a fish on a spoon. Oh, there's fish all over right here. This whole spot is loaded. Alright, be quiet, Brody. Oh, it's a big fish. Get it out here, Kelly. This spot is loaded. Get it out there. Come on. It's gonna be a big red or a snook right here. There we go. I saw him chase it down. No, I got him. On the Redfish Magic. Can you get this pole out of the way? Snooker's so aggressive. It's not even a big one. That's a baby. That's a fun size. That's what I come for. Now he's a little small. Oh, they gotta be 28. He's only 26. Yeah. That's 26. I can just tell. I need the pliers out. I was just telling you need to fish. Look, the red out in the middle. That's a little one. He's only 17 inches. It's a baby. On the redfish. Oh, look at that big fish. Nope. I was telling you, we're going to catch them as long as you don't give up. That's the beauty of artificials. You just got to keep casting, and then eventually you find one. Oh, man. We got dinner, babe. He's a keeper. Yep. 18. Yeah, you got a little faster than that. So redfish isn't on the list. Kelly's got a little snooky. That's a monster. Oh yeah, good job, Kelly. It's a beast. Let some line out. It's a monster.
I want to shoot it. Can I shoot it?
Can I take a picture with my little one?
Is it a rock?
I'm really good at catching them.
Oh my god. I thought for sure it was going to be a fish. What did I hook? It's around like a big red. That's a cobia! It's a monster cobia, Kelly. That's a cobia. I thought it was a shark.
You got that on the gulp?
Just randomly casting the swim bait out here in the deep cut. He's heavy. That's a big cobia. Gonna be eating good tonight. Crap, why did he do that? Well, he went under the boat. Oh, I gotta spin the boat around. This is bad. I hope he doesn't go near the trolling motor. Actually, he might be. He looks like a keep. That is a big fish. I can't move him. Look, I'm on my tiny trout.